This is my crazy cuckoo cat. She obviously looks like she's having fun with my carpet. And this is obviously what she's saying in her mind right now. 99 bags of catnip on the carpet instead of the wall. Say hi, Meadow. It's gonna zoom in her. Meadow. Yeah, she's too busy. And obviously you can see that she's obviously cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Okay, let's see what happens if we step over her. Okay, still cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
99 bags, catnip on the wall.
And this is my friend Cassandra, who's on the phone right now. Say hi.
99 bags of catnip on the wall.
Or you can say that. Now back to my cat. Meadow, can you do anything else but that? You are going cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs right now. Let's zoom into her right now. Meadow. Ow. Don't scratch me. I'm going to zoom into her face. Okay. That's all we have for today. Thanks for watching Cuckoo for Cocoa Puff Cats. And my saying is 99 bags of catnip on the carpet. See ya.